what is your real accent? If I got £1 or $1 for every time somebody asked me that question, I would be a multimillionaire. Goodness gracious. So I don't divulge my real accent because I'm an accent coach. And as an accent coach, I need to be lots of different people for the actors that are wanting to book my services. So if somebody's wanting an RP accent coach, then I'm RP. But of course, if somebody's wanting an American accent coach, I'm definitely from America. And if you're wanting a Scots coach, depending on which part of Scotland you're in, because there's loads of different accents in Scotland, I'm a Scottish coach. Or if you want a Cockney accent coach, I'm definitely a Cockney accent coach. So the bottom line is I don't tell people what my accent is because I don't want nobody to know. It is a bit of a secret. Do you know what I mean? So if you don't already follow me here, I would love it if you would drop me a follow. That would be so nice. I'd be so happy. I would appreciate that very much.